I'm the proud principal here at Lincoln Trail Elementary. Tonight's open house, we are kicking off the 26-27 school year. We're excited to meet all of our new families, all of our returning families, and we're ready for school to start back and to show our school spirit and our Bruin pride. New this year in Hardin County Schools, students are not permitted to bring metal water bottles. So we do allow our students to still bring plastic water bottles that only contain water. They're more than welcome to do that. So parents and guardians, if you'll help us out with that, that'll be very appreciative. Also, we are no longer a CEP school, so students are now required to pay for their school lunches. From your teachers, you should have received a QR code that you can scan and sign into My School Bucks to set up your child's lunch account. So please call the front office if you have any questions regarding that.
My name is Gary Milby. I'm a bus driver for Hardin County Schools. Stop Finder is an app that we use to let parents know when their students are going to be arriving home or being picked up in the mornings. And also, if there's an accident or if the bus breaks down, you can we call the bus garage and it tell them, and it gives an email or text out to the parent to let them know how far behind we are. It's a great way to keep control where your kids are at and identifying where they're at. I'm pretty sure this is the second year that it's going. Last year was kind of a training process, but this year I think they're doing it at all the schools.
With Lincoln Trail Elementary PTA. We're excited to be here tonight at our school's open house. We love to support our staff and students here at school by doing fundraisers and events. If you want to see what we're up to during the school year, follow our Facebook page, Lincoln Trail Elementary PTA. Tonight we have tons of new spirit wear for sale, and we also have a spirit wear store open all year with hoodies, t-shirts, hats, all kinds of fun things to support our local community Bruins.